morning, students. Today we will discuss the frequently asked problems related to quadratic equations. In this category, first discuss the problem. You just open your exercise 4.3 question number 8. Just take out the books. Open exercise 4.3. See the question number 8. It says a train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, then it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. This type of problem is frequently asked in the exam. So let's find the solution for it. Very firstly, we just assume so we are doing the exercise 3.4.3 question number 8. So let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. You read that speed equal to distance upon time, or we can say time equal to distance upon speed. So we are given distance in the numerical problem is given as 360 kilometer. So the time will be 360 upon x hour, because we assume the speed to be x kilometer per hour. Now he says that if the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, if speed increased by 5 km per hour, then new speed will be x plus 5 km per hour, and the new time will be the distance will remain same, 360 upon x plus 5. Now according to question, it was said that 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 equal to, it take 1 hour less, equal to 1. So let's solve this equation. Let's take the LCM. Cross multiply. So this gives this is our quadratic equation. If we compare it with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, so we get a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to minus 1800. So let's find the root. It's given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So it will be minus 5 plus minus b square means 25 minus 4 into 1 into 1800 upon 2. So this gives x equal to minus 5 plus minus. So let's calculate this. It's minus 1800. So this will give 25 this gives 7225 upon 2. Now the square root of 7225 is 85 children. So this gives x equal to minus 5 plus 85 upon 2 or x equal to minus 5 minus 85 upon 2. Now x could not be equal to minus 5 minus 85 because since speed can't be negative. So let's solve it. It gives x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. It means the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Now let us discuss one more frequently asked problem in the exam. Same exercise, but now question number 9. Now children, in the problem 9, it was said that the two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hour. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hour less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So we just consider the tap with larger diameter to be a big pipe and the smaller diameter to be a small pipe. So let's start the solution for it. So so this is exercise 4.3 problem 9. Let time taken by big pipe. I told you big pipe, I am considering the pipe with a big diameter. Big pipe P XR. Then time taken by small pipe B X plus 10R, because it's taking 10R more. And according to question, the time taken by both pipes is, it's given 9 3/8 hour. It means 75/8 hour. Now portion of tank filled by big pipe in 1 hour. That how much portion of the tank will be filled by big pipe in 1 hour? It will be 1 upon x. And the portion of tank filled by small pipe in 1 hour is 1 upon x plus 10. Portion of tank filled by both pipes in 1 hour will be 1 upon 75/8 equal to 8/75. Now children, according to question, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 equal to 8 upon 75. Now let's solve it. Taking the LCM, we get x square plus 10x, x plus 10 plus x equal to 8/75 equal to 2x plus 10 upon x square plus 10x. Let's cross multiply. It will give 8x square plus 80 equal to 150x plus 750. So transforming all to one side, we get 8x square minus 70x minus 750 equal to 0. So let's divide by 2 on both the sides. It gives 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. Let's compare this quadratic equation with our standard quadratic equation. So we get A equal to 4, B equal to minus 35 and C equals to minus 375. So the roots given by minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC upon 2A equal to minus plus, so plus 35 plus minus 35 square 12 to 5 minus 4 into 4 into minus 375 upon 8. So this gives x equals to 35 plus minus. So if we solve it, we are getting 35 plus minus 85 upon 8, because root 7225 is equal to 85. So it gives x equals to either 35 plus 85 upon 8 or x equals to 35 minus 85 upon 8. So this can't be possible, because again it will give the negative value, and in the last question also we discussed that the speed can't be negative and time can also not be negative. So this value is not possible, time can't be negative. Reject it. So here we get x equals to 120 by 8 equal to 15 kilometer per hour. So it gives x 15 kilometer per hour. So it means time taken by big bike equal to 15 kilometer per hour, and time taken by small pipe equal to 15 plus 10, because we discussed the small pipe take 10 or more. So 15 plus 10 equal to 25. It's time, so R. So it takes 25 hours. So the big pipe take 15 hours to fill the tank, and the small pipe take 25 hours to fill the tank. So in the same line, again we will discuss one more frequently asked problem. So just take out exercise 4.4, question number 2 and the first part. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. So the equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. We compare it with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. Let's find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac, it gives k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So this gives k square minus 24. Since given equal roots, so this implies d equal to 0. So k square minus 24 equal to 0. So we get k square equals to 24, k equals to plus minus root 24. So k equals to plus minus 2 root 6. So this is the value of k for which the given equation will give 2 equal roots. Stay home, stay safe.